So yesterday we were multiplying out a binomial, which is two terms, and a trinomial. Okay? And it's the same process. It's FOIL, everything in the first bracket times everything in the second bracket. Today, I'm just going to go to the bottom here before we do that word problem. We're going to multiply three binomials together. Process is exactly the same, except you have to do it in two stages. Okay? So you deal with two brackets at once. Okay? So I'm just going to deal with these two right now. I just usually work left to right. So you FOIL it. Everything in the first bracket. Oh my gosh. There we go. Everything in the first bracket times everything in the second bracket. So x times x, x squared. X times 4, negative 3 times x. And then negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. That's all in brackets because you still need to multiply it by the 2x minus 1. I would simplify what's in those brackets first. So what can I combine? To get positive x. Now what do I do? Do it again. X squared times 2x. 2x cubed. Add the exponents. X squared times negative 1. Negative x squared. And then x times 2x. 2x squared. X times negative 1 is negative x. And then the final step is the negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 2x is what? Negative 24x. Negative 12 times negative 1 is positive 12. And what's my final step? Your like terms. Can anything combine with the cube? So 2x cubed just stays there. Negative x squared plus 2x squared. Just an 1x squared. Negative x minus 24x is negative 25x. And then 12 just sits on the end. It's the exact same process. Okay? Except you just have to multiply the first two together. Get a new set of brackets, simplify it, and then multiply the last one. Okay? Any questions about that? Yep.
Could you multiply the binomial into the first set of brackets because you are multiplying like three binomials?
Say that again. Multiply.
The 2x minus 1, can you multiply that into the x squared plus x minus 12 and get the same thing? Instead of just doing
Yeah. It's the same thing. Yeah, it's like 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. Your choice. Yeah. Any other questions? All right, I want to do one last thing, which is right above it, which looks complex, but it is not. I want to know the volume of this expression, or this cube. How do you find the volume of something? Length times width times height. Length, width, height. You just multiply them all together, exactly like we just did. So volume will be the length times the width times the height. So it's x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 5. you want to do it on your own? Okay. Do it on your own. I'll freeze it, and then we'll see if we match up our answers. You ready? One moment. Here's your answer. X cubed plus 8x squared plus 17x plus 10. All right. So if you have 3, multiply the first 2 together, simplify that, multiply it by the last one. If it's a volume question, basically it's the same thing because volume is length times width times height. Questions I want you to do are 4A and C, 5 and 6, please.
Can I see what I got on the quiz or?
I haven't marked it yet, but I'll mark it in 1 sec when you guys are doing this.